Hey guys, welcome to Beast Stride DIY. This is the Hychika Mini Circular saw. The company sent this to me to give a review and see what I thought of this here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show it to you and then show you how it works on some 2x4s here. So this is what it looks like. I had never heard of this brand before, but it seems pretty sturdy. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I don't know what I thought, but in the pictures it just looks smaller. So this is the dust collection chute here. This just goes on right near the blade to collect dust and sawdust. Now this is a T-square. You can attach this to the saw to get cleaner, straighter cuts. I'm not going to use this in the example, but that's what you can use that for. And then it came with 3 blades. So it came with 2 wood blades. I think they're about 4.5 inches, and then 1 plastic blade. So to change the blade out here, you just hold this down, this one button, and you can unscrew the nut here. You can also use this hex key that's provided with it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this wood blade. It does come with a plastic kind of shield around it. I would advise you to use gloves when you do this. You just go ahead and slide it in. It just goes in the hole there. You just put the protector back on, and then you put the washer with the bolt here back on. And you can just hand tighten it. That's what I did here until you get the resistance. And then when the time comes, you can go ahead and use that hex key to tighten it all the way. Now the one thing I really wish it came with was a carrying case, something with a handle you carry it around. For now, I'm just kind of putting it back in the styrofoam container and in the box when I'm done with it. And on the back here, this is the bevel here where you can change the angle. Just you would untighten that and change the angle of the circular saw. Now we're going to go ahead and try it here. I just tested it out and gave it a little squeeze. I don't have my sawhorse on me, but I'm going to just use this and just try to go ahead and cut here. I just want to use one hand and just see if I can do it with one hand. So let's see how it works. So it did do a pretty clean cut. I'm going to show you it up close a little bit. So you can see it didn't really stop. The cut's really clean on both sides. Not a ton of splintering. And it went through that pretty fast. It had more power than I thought it would. I'm definitely pretty impressed with this tool. I hadn't heard of it. One thing to keep in mind is you always want to unplug it when you're messing with the tool. I'm just showing you it, so I wanted to unplug it. Especially if you're taking the blade off, obviously. You don't want to do that with it still plugged in. And to remove the blade, you just unscrew that, take the blade off. You can change it out or store it without the blade. But I'm impressed with this little thing, and it does feel good in your hand. It's not too big for using it with one hand, but it's just powerful enough. So I would recommend it.